Welcome back to In Love with Sri Lanka. Thank you for watching our videos. This really means a lot to us. Today we are taking you to Ramboda Waterfall. This is my favorite waterfall in Sri Lanka. This might not be the most beautiful waterfall in Sri Lanka, but it is my favorite, maybe because it was the first one that took my breath away. Every time we are in Sri Lanka, this is a must-visit place. If you are on the way to Tea Estate or Nuwara Eliya, please stop to visit Ramboda Fall. You will not regret. The first part is situated about 1 mile away from the main road. To reach this part, you will need to take a walk through the path. The second part is the middle fall and is situated right after the Ramboda tunnel. You will not be able to miss it. This is the part when on our video we are bathing in a waterfall. We had so much fun in there. The part in the video at the moment is the third part of Ramboda Fall. It is not visible from the main road. You will have to go to Ramboda Falls Hotel. We stayed in this hotel in 2008, but you will don't have to stay there to admire the beauty. The last time we've been to Ramboda Fall to visit in 2017, we were not able to see the third part as the water level was too high and there has been a balcony built to observe the waterfall.